Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
Park the Swift on level ground and engage the handbrake before you start. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical shorts during work. Gather tools now: a 10mm socket, Phillips screwdriver, plastic trim tool, and a 10mm torque wrench for final fasteners. Wear safety glasses and gloves to protect eyes and hands while you pry trim. Work in daylight or bright shop lighting to clearly see clips and wiring connectors. Keep a small tray nearby for screws and nuts to avoid loss. Begin by prying off the inner door triangle cover with a plastic trim tool. You will expose 3 10mm nuts holding the mirror assembly to the door frame. Support the mirror with one hand to prevent it from dropping when you loosen those nuts. Use the 10mm socket to back the nuts off partially, then finish by hand while holding the mirror. Disconnect the mirror electrical connector by depressing the pale gray latch and pulling straight away. Carefully lift the mirror assembly out from the door. Route the mirror wiring harness through the door opening and align the assembly with studs. Push the mirror onto the studs while keeping wires clear to avoid pinching. Hand start the 3 10mm nuts to secure the mirror, then use the 10mm torque wrench to tighten them evenly. Reattach the inner door triangle cover by snapping clips back into place until you hear a click. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and power the mirror. Test motor movement, heating function if present, and adjust the glass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.